For soft, shiny and bouncy hair, this is what you need to get your scalp properly cleaned up. Hi beautiful soul, you're welcome. I wish you good health and happiness. Welcome and welcome back to both my new and returning subscriber. Please don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe if you have not. So to make this hair shampoo, what we need is our soap base. Here I have a plain African soap. I call it brown, it's ash in color. They have the black ones like that. So all I'm doing here is just to cut it to pieces with a knife. You can use a grater to grate it. Whatever soap base that you have is okay. What matters is the herbs you're going to infuse into it. Okay, so the aim of doing this is just to get rid of chemicals in our scalp. All right, so many of us are going through a lot, trying to retain our hair, trying to keep moisture and lot, and most of the times what drain all of this from our hair and our scalp is the chemicals that are infused in some of these store-bought shampoos and cream and all of that. But here we are making it by ourselves. So first thing I have here is Kuhu's roots, Khus, Kuhu's root. Okay, so this is the root of whatever tree that is. It's from Indian. And we have our Shikakai powder. Guys, you get all of this incorporated into your base. As you can see, that's amla powder. All of this, I'm putting them there. Someone will ask, what is the benefit of Shikakai? Shikakai controls dandruff and hair damages. It helps your hair to be soft, shine, and also helps your hair to be healthy. It is suitable for all hair types. It cleanses your scalp naturally and it shines naturally. I added my oil. This is coconut oil. I have already added my avocado oil. You have any oil of your choice you can add, castor oil, almond oil, whichever you want to add. You can only just use your coconut oil and it is perfect. Okay, I got all of this incorporated into this. And why I'm adding oil, just to help moisture, especially for those who have a dry scalp. Yeah, a lot. I got all of this added, and we know the benefit of amla. Amla softens, shines, and also brings you bouncy hair. Guys, you get this with hot water mixed and put it, allow it to just sit for like an hour, or whenever you just check it can be less than 1 hour. Open it and you get this. It is already melted away. Just turn it properly. The next thing you're going to do is to sieve it. Don't forget to sieve it, because some of those soap base may have, like this one has some kind of sand. All right, African black soap, you don't know where it was produced and how it was handled, but you don't want to incorporate any dirt into your scalp. So get that thoroughly sieved out. As you can see me, I'm doing here. I want it to be thoroughly liquid. I don't want lumps on it, to avoid any residues on my scalp. So this shampoo is something that I love so much, guys. After using it to wash my hair will just like coiling on it, to just like one like, I don't know how to explain it. Maybe the next time I'm going to wash my hair, I'm going to make a proper video and then show us the difference. Another good thing about this is that you can, this is my peppermint oil. You can just add any oil of your choice just to give it a good smell. Mix it, voila, your homemade hair shampoo is ready. No chemicals. This is all herb infused. Trust me, you're going to love yourself for doing this for your scalp, because this is a show that you love yourself. It's self-care. When you are able to take time to prepare something that your body is going to eat, is a sign of self-love. It's not just about buying things that you see anyhow. The time and patience goes a long way to show self-love. So you go ahead and put this into your container, whatever you want to use. I actually, this one I use it for the week, left in the fridge after each use. Then the other one is in the freezer. It can last up to 6 months. It depends on how you want to keep it. Guys, this is so soapy. Like, you just have to use a little amount, and after washing your hair, your scalp is clean. When I mean clean, you can also just use it to massage your hair on your hair wash day and leave it for like 10 to 20 minutes before washing, and you will love yourself better for doing that. Please like the video for me, give it a thumbs up, give it a share, subscribe if you have not, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.